quick partial window review because we had cracked mortar joint here that was very intricately detailed in the carefulest way possible because we had a red-black sandstone type S concrete that wasn't available. So this was intricately installed, neatly tooled, going right up the window here. Casings were cleaned. As you can see on this side is black, crusty, nasty, gummy stuff. Stripped that down because it was all open on this side. There wasn't a lot of time today to do an extra favor to do the rust, but maybe at another time. This was originally just a roof leak. This is a courtesy because we will be doing a re-roof on the rest of this home. This has been John Simpson for Roof MD here in Smyrna, Tennessee.